Hello, this is Maya Hazenbuttle again, and now that you've learned how to do your QR codes and print them off as discrete individual pieces like this, then we learned how to do our ID cards for our students right here. And I just printed both of those so I could show you today how I actually do the scanning. And you'll notice that over here on the side is a mirrored image of my phone. And I'm using an Apple iPhone, but this also does work on Android phones. I've tried it. I did it with my Android tablet as well. So my personal favorite app for scanning these puts them into a spreadsheet. And that I find to be the most useful way to do anything is to put into a spreadsheet. So I use Scan to Spreadsheet. And you'll see that it comes up and it's got my basic ones that I've already done. I'm just going to add a new one, and I'm going to use my math homework scan, and notice it's going to bring up. So it's going to ask for ID card, the name of the assignment, and the score. And because that's what I set up in my template, you can set up anything you like. So what I'm going to do is, first off, I need the ID card. So I'm going to click on barcode and scan the barcode. Then I'm going to scan the name of the assignment, and then I'm going to scan the score. And now I'm going to scan another student's name and another assignment and another score, and we'll go lastly with Adam here. There we go. And you'll notice I used barcodes on there just to keep them off, so that I didn't, all the things that I didn't want to scan, I just put a sticky note over just to make my life a little easier. When it comes up, all you're going to get is down here at the very bottom, you can see there's a folder. I'm just going to click on the folder and it shows me what I scanned. And I can see it automatically gives a GPS location for where I scanned it, the ID card, the name of the assignment, and the score. You'll notice there's a date section in there too, but I can manually add the date. I just didn't bother. So in this case, I now want to send it to myself because I want to be able to use it. And so you'll notice down here at the bottom, there's that little share icon. And so I'm going to click share. There it goes. And I want to send it direct to my computer with AirDrop. And so now I'm just going to wait. It sends. And now it's going to pop up on my computer here, right there. And I can open it. And it's going to open it as an Excel document because it's essentially a spreadsheet. So I could tell it to open a different spreadsheet reader if I wanted to, but this is the one I usually use. So you'll notice it gave me the date and time as automatic. I could have manually added a date if I wanted to, but because I knew it was going to show up automatically, I just left it alone. And so I've got all of my information there, and now I can just take this information and paste it right into my grade program so that my grade book on our Schoology site will go ahead and work really well to get that all graded and put together. So I hope this helps, and if you're interested in finding all of the examples, you can go to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, which looks like that. And this assignment is going to be on there, and you can go ahead, and I have all the links in there for the documents that I use, as well as for videos for how to do them all, and links for finding the iOS and Android app that I'm using. It does cost money, I will not lie to you, but it's the best $6 I ever spent, is that Scan to Spreadsheet. I think it works great, and I love it. If you want to look for another one, I also gave you a link to some of the other options that are on there that you can try. So, hope this helps, and have a great school year.